जब पशुवत जीवन जीते थे तब भारत ने ही उन्हें सभ्यता और संस्कृति का पाठ पढ़ाया था। यही कारण है कि भारत को आदिकाल से विश्व गुरु की उपाधि दी गई थी। अपनी मातृभूमि से दूर जीवन यापन करते हुए न केवल हमारी नई आने वाली पीढ़ियां बल्कि कतिपय हम सभी वयस्क भी अपनी भारतीय संस्कृति एवं इतिहास से मिली शिक्षा और अपने प्राचीन संस्कारों से कहीं दूर जा रहे हैं। नेक्स्ट स्लाइड। गर्मी की तपती दोपहर में पेड़ सदा देते हैं छाया, सुमन सुगंध सदा देते हैं हम सबको फूलों की माला। त्यागी तरुण जीवन से हम परहित कुछ करना सीखें, देश हमें देता है सब कुछ, हम भी तो कुछ देना सीखें। इसी भाव को मन में रखकर हम जापान में रहने वाले कुछ स्वयंसेवक एकत्र हुए और भारत कल्चरल सोसाइटी जापान की स्थापना की। नेक्स्ट स्लाइड। पोथी पोथी पढ़ गया पंडित भया न कोई। किताबी ज्ञान केवल जानकारी बढ़ा सकता है परंतु जीवन निर्माण नहीं कर सकता। हमारी प्राचीन भारतीय संस्कृति ये प्रेरणा देती है कि जीवन केवल मेरे लिए नहीं अपितु परिवार, समाज, देश और विश्व के लिए है। At BCS Japan, our vision is to imbibe our next generation who are away from India with rich culture and incredible history of India. To achieve this vision, our mission and objective is to spread and preserve the Indian culture values by conducting different events, activities with active participation of Indian and Japanese community. We would like to establish a numerical chord with vibrant Indian culture and our rich history. In the next slide, please. In the last few months, we have organized various cultural activities such as quiz competition, community services, blood donation, and today we embark on our big journey on this grand gala celebration of first time celebration of Maharaj Shivaji's Jayanti in Japan. Next slide. On 19 February, we organized a Japan-wide online quiz in which more than 200 plus people participated. The focus of this quiz was on Maharaj Shivaji's life and history of Maratha Empire. Winners from this quiz will be felicitated today. Next slide. Yeah, these are some of the activities which we have done in the past. We can go to the last slide. Future planned activities. So going forward, we would plan to organize various cultural events around the Indian Independence Day. We would also want to familiarize several events for Indian traditional sports, festival and other aspects of our culture and history. In the end, I am so happy to share that this event which is being organized by BCS Japan has not just received a heartwarming welcome in Japan but also from India as well as from other countries as well. Here are a few messages that we have received as a greeting for our